Hello.
Hi, good morning. Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
It's on you, Officer. Will you ready to go?
Are you in the breakout?
All rise. The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While court is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind. Please remove all hats, no head covering or head wraps unless they represent religious purposes. No hoodies, no speaking over the judge or while the judge is speaking. Please take heed to the instructions and mute your phones during session. Good morning. Court is in session.
Okay, can everybody hear us?
Yes, sir.
All right, good morning, everyone.
Yes.
Sir.
Good morning, everyone. What we're gonna do is do the best we can to get you out as fast, efficiently as possible. And I'm gonna try to get you out in the order that you came in. I want Norwood Alita T. Good morning to you. What is your full name, please? If they hang up.
Talking to me?
No, Norwood Alita T. I think they hung up. All right, let's get going. Are we ready, Ms. Williams-Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
Where's the review? City of Detroit versus Eric Daniel Gaskin, case number SP 168-69621. Gaskin, please state your name for the record, please.
It's Eric Gaskin.
Are you driving? You can't be driving. I'm gonna put you out. Oh, you ought to know better. Here we go. Put her out the room, please. All right, let's pass the matter. Where's Gaskin's from? You did? Just announce no driving. We're starting out like this already Monday morning.
Gaskin from yesterday.
Oh, Gaskin, I don't see Gaskin up there. All right, anyway. All right, Lester.
Yes.
The correct pronunciation of your first name again, I'm sorry.
Yatisha.
Okay, good morning. This is the city of Detroit versus Yatisha Lester. Case numbers SP 175-71941, U63382-422. Appearance from the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lester.
Yatisha Lester.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute.
Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'll give your client a $0 bond. Your client has a warrant out for arrest for a U ticket. I'll recall the warrant. Ms. Lester, I'm gonna put you in a breakout with Mr. Berry. He's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. That U ticket is a license ticket for failure to display Group D entertainer's card, Mr. Berry. All right, I'm gonna Ms. Lester, join the room and let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay? When you see the
Okay.
front. We'll pass the matter. I don't see it. I don't see it. It didn't fall over.
Okay.
All right. City of Detroit. This is K. Gillen, case number SP 169-2767, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 169-2768, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Daphne Bradfield, P 70578 on behalf of Gillen. State your name for the record.
Nikkei Gillen.
Ms. Gillen, the day is date and time set for arraignment on the bench. Go ahead, counsel.
Purpose of arraignment, she stand mute, wait formal readings, ask that the warrants be recalled, Your Honor.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf and give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Gillen has 3 civil infractions, 4 civil infractions. No, strike that, 3 civil infractions. 1 civil infraction is too old. We won't deal with that. That's a failure to stop. She owes $156. The other 3 of the 11 to 15 over and expired plates, improper equipment. All of those happen at the same time as these 2 other allegations on the docket. What we'll do is, I don't have any issue with allowing Ms. Gillen to be heard on those tickets. If the city has no objection, Ms. Gillen, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, Ms. Bradfield. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Join the room, let us know what you wanna do when you come out. We'll pass the matter.
Okay.
I just want to say hi, that's all.
Thank you so much. How are you?
Yeah, I haven't seen you in a while, just want to say.
Hi. She's got a lot of people doing things for her around. She gets all the service.
You get, oh my God.
I get none.
He gets served.
I don't get many.
Yes, he does. I know he does. He gets served. I just want to say hi, I haven't seen you in a
All
while.
right, good to see you.
Okay.
City of Detroit versus Stephen Oliver, case number V144-01925, V144-02025. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. Cherika Harris, P 72832 on behalf of Mr. Oliver. Mr. Oliver, please state your name for the record.
Stephen Cairo Oliver.
For
All right, Mr.
purposes of
Oliver.
arraignment, my
All right.
client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrant be recalled.
I'll be calling the warrants. I'll give Mr. Oliver a $0 bond. Mr. Oliver, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
He's in the room. We'll pass the matter. Mr. Overstreet, you're gonna wait on, to pre-try your case, correct? Is Mr. Overstreet there? Oh, he's already trying. Good morning to you. Zion's iPhone. Take your hat off, sir. Take your hat off. Good morning.
Sorry about that.
That's all right. What's your name, young man?
Zion Osborne.
Say that again.
Zion Osborne.
Osborne. All right, good morning to you,
Yeah.
Mr. Osborne. Yes.
Hello.
Good morning.
I know I had a Zoom, but I came in person.
What is your name?
Miss Lust, Charlene Lust.
Lust? Okay, good morning to you, Ms. Lust.
Good morning. Should I stand and stay out there or come in?
No, signing right here.
Okay.
Do you have a phone now?
Who, I'm sorry,
You have a telephone?
a telephone on me, no, but I have a phone number, yeah. But I don't have my phone on me, no.
Is it in the car?
Yes. Should I go get it?
If you could. As a matter of fact, just sign in, just sign that advice or rights form. If you can read and sign that advice or rights form.
Yes.
And you can do everything from the car if you want. It's gonna be 9 o'clock. I'm gonna give the officer a half-hour grace period from 9:30 till 9:30. If they don't show, which I can almost guarantee you that this officer's gonna show.
Okay,
So 9:30, but if he doesn't show by 9:30, we'll get you out of here. If he shows, then we're gonna get you in a breakout room with an attorney so you can speak.
oh, so I didn't know you could bring your phone here.
Yes.
Because before, it's been a minute.
Now,
Like,
you
no
have
phones.
valid registration and insurance?
Well, the car is repo.
Do you have a car now?
No,
Okay. All right, I'm gonna get you in a breakout room with an attorney when.
okay.
All right.
What's today? 9/8. Let me put my glasses on. So my signature here.
On the telephone at 281-383-8501. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Good morning.
Good morning. What is your name?
Juanzetta Graham.
Juanzetta Brill.
Graham.
Graham. Good morning to you, Ms. Graham. And you just, Les, you can feel free to come on in and wait. Just bring your phone so when we get going, you can go out in the hallway and talk to us.
Thank you so much.
Are you welcome? All right. Jamie Z, can you unmute yourself, state your name, you start your camera, please. Good morning to you, Jamie Z.
Good morning.
Good morning. What's your full name, ma'am?
Jamie Zach.
Jamie Zach.
Yes.
All right, Z-A-C-K-H, Z-A-C-H?
CK.
Z-A-C-K. Do you have a case now?
I do.
Do you have a case number?
The case number. It's for Perkins. It's for Oliver Brian James Jr.
Are you an officer?
Yes.
Okay, that makes it good. Good morning to you.
That'll work.
All right, just sit tight. I'm gonna give them, when the city attorney comes in, she'll probably put you in breakout room 1 to speak with you if necessary.
All right. Thank you, sir.
On the telephone at 313-303-9249. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Pamela Lyon.
Pamela Lyon.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you, Ms. Lyons.
Good morning.
Your matter is set for trial today. I'm going to give the officers a half-hour grace period from 9 o'clock to 9:30. That officer appears, I'll put you in a breakout room with an attorney. If that officer does not appear, then we'll get you out of here, okay?
Thank you, sir. Appreciate your time.
And I appreciate you as well.
So do I just wait on the Zoom call till you call me now? Okay, I'm not very good at this stuff, so I get really nervous. I don't want to mess it all up.
No, you can't mess it up. If somehow your phone is muted, ma'am, then if somehow your phone gets muted, we will just press *6 to unmute yourself, okay?
*6?
*6. I'll let you know that though.
Okay, thank you. Appreciate that. Sorry.
Delgado, Zoom, you understand, no need to.
We're gonna tell them we're gonna get it.
Sorry. I put the Zoom on, just haven't had a seat.
I'll see him in the morning. Jesus Delgado?
Yes, sir.
But I don't see, what, does he have a piece of paper with that? Oh, he's supposed to be in Millicent Sherman. On Wednesday, this is old. Let's see where it's. Get a city attorney in here, please.
Yes.
Millicent Sherman. Yeah, I don't know where is Sherman this week.
Thank you.
Oh,
334. It's not, he should be, it's like in warrant status, probably, it's in warrant status. So, he voted 334. Yeah, that's the way he's gonna get that warrant. Okay.
Yeah, hello. Okay. Yo.
Are we ready on anyone, Ms. Harris? We ready?
Ready on Mr. Oliver?
Yeah, I'm here.
Right, for Mr. Oliver. Mr. Oliver, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is requesting the appointment of counsel. He is also asking if the court can provide something formal and official in writing so that he can show to get his employment back that the warrant has been lifted.
All right, let me find out from Mr. Mathis. Form letter. You need an appointed attorney, is that correct, Mr. Oliver?
Yes, that is correct.
And I'm gonna set a pretrial for October 6, 2025 at 8:30. Is this the best phone number to reach you?
Yes, that is correct.
All right, I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by October the 6th, we're gonna get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Yes, I appreciate that, sir.
Ms. Mathis, is there some kind of letter that we can give him to let them know that the warrant has been taken off?
Other than the register of action.
I mean, you can always type, the register of action will show that warrant has been recalled. You can go on to the 36th District Court website, put your name in, And that register of action gives whoever the individual or employer is, it gives them every step that has been taken. I guess if Ms. Mathis mentioned about she could email you something. You want to.
Yeah.
What's your email address, sir?
It is KAIROBRI.
Say that again. KAIRO.
B as in boy.
Uh-huh.
R as in Robert. I as in intersect. Baby, like a little baby, BABY. My last name, Oliver. The number 18 at gmail.com.
I didn't ever think you were going in. K-A-R, I didn't know you could make a name. So. KAIROBRIBABYOLIVER18
That is correct, Your Honor.
All right, need letter stating
just that the warrant is lifted.
Well, we'll send a register of action. That'll say the warrant has been lifted. Okay?
Yes, I appreciate it.
All right. Mr. Gorey, you're still driving. You're disrespecting me now. I'm putting you out.
I'm pulled to the side, Judge. I just had to
No,
drop
but
my
you're
son.
driving.
I'm to the side.
When that was clear.
It wasn't nothing I could do. I had to drop my son off, Judge. I apologize.
No, you already said that. It was something you could have done.
I'm parked to the side now. I'm parked to the side.
All right, Miss Harris, are we ready on the next one?
I only had one person. That was Mr. Oliver.
Ms. Gamboa, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Morning to you.
Good morning.
GAMBOA. Oh, I see what you want. I see. I don't know. What is GAMBOA? And then how do you spell your first name?
ASHLY.
ASHLY.
Yeah.
GAMBOA. If you have any, you have a case number?
Yes, I do.
What is it?
SX455622321.
62321. Altaveras.
Yeah.
City of Detroit versus Ashley Gamboa. Strike that. State of Michigan versus Ashley Gamboa Altaveras. 4556321. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name. Ms. Ontiveros, could you please state your name for the record?
Ashley Gamboa Ontiveros.
Ms. Gamboa, turn your camera on, please.
Okay.
Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Okay.
Join the
Your Honor,
room.
is it just the one count for?
Just the one
it
count.
says- Thank you.
She had a warning for an improper language. That's it. Just the one count. I will pass the matter. Good morning, Ms. Vaughn. Good morning, Mr. Attorney Brown, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. I have Bernard Lynham.
Say that again.
My client's name is Bernard Lynham. I need to talk to the prosecutor, I guess, or city attorney.
Go to 4 and wait on the city attorney.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning to Lynham. I don't think Lynham has showed yet. I don't know. I don't think Lynham has showed yet, though.
Okay, thank you very much.
Go to 4. Good morning to you.
Hello,
Let's back on the record with Gillen. Ms. Gillen, I'm giving you counsel, what the client want to do. Go sign on.
Did you call voice them about them yet?
Mr. Barrett, Mr. Bradfield, what does Ms. Gillen want to do? Let's back on the record with Ms. Gillen.
Your Honor, Ms. Gillum would like to ask that this matter be set for a pretrial. She would like to take a online driver improvement course, and I gave her your email address to send the certificate.
On that driving course. On that driving course, I don't know if this city attorney is giving any favor to that. Have you talked to them about that at all, Ms. Bradfield?
No, I can, if we could just pass on her matter and I can find
I
out.
think that may be best. I mean, I would like to see her take a driving course, but you know that she's the city attorney. And I don't know if it's an issue of taking the driving course and it's not going to do any good. Then you know, other than the fact she does probably get some education on that. I'm sure she wants to take it so that it can swing the deal. So let's pass the matter, Ms. Gillen. I'm gonna let Ms. Bradfield present that to the city attorney to see if that's gonna happen.
Okay.
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 All right. Let's call it, Ms. Lust. Let's call it. Ms. Bradfield.
Judge, you don't want her to go on Zoom?
Yeah, go on Zoom, because she's gonna need to speak to Ms. Bradfield, but we can, since the officer is here. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Charlene Lust, case number SP. Just speaking to the mic. 1748439, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Ms. Lust. State your name for the record, please.
Charlene Lust.
All right, good morning to you, Ms. Lust. Officer Baker, are you there?
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, and department for the record, please?
Corporal Baker, Detroit Police, badge 21, Detroit Police.
Excuse me, Corporal, I'm sorry. Day and date and time set for trial. Ms. Bradfield, Ms. Lust is gonna join on the Zoom in the hallway. And we're gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Bradfield. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, and the day is the date and time set for that, all right?
Awesome.
And I have an advice of rights form. You've read and signed the advice of rights form.
Yes.
You understood those rights. Do you
Yes.
have any questions about those rights?
No.
If you do, speak to Ms. Bradfield.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, we'll pass the matter, and as soon as you get on, I'll put you in a breakout.
Okay.
Let's go back on the records with Ms. Taveras. Mr. Taveras, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, I would ask if the court could check the status of her license, and I'm also awaiting a response from Ms. Warren.
Well, I don't know if the status has anything to do with her. I think they're saying that she had more than one license. Is that what the allegation is saying? So I think that.
It appears that way, but I think
Or it
I just
says
need
no
to speak with
cops,
Ms. Horn.
multiple cops. Yeah, multiple cops. All right, we'll check the status of the license.
Running license.
Runner license. And I still don't see. All right, let's go, Miss Harris, I'm gonna call this on, City of Detroit. We'll pass out to Barris momentarily. City of Detroit versus Mark Anthony Gallimore, case number SP 175-9837, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 175-9838, counts 1, counts 2. Here's for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Mr. Gallimore, can you press *6 to unmute yourself? Is he here? Gallimore, can you press *6 to unmute yourself?
How you doing, sir?
Okay, *6 again.
Okay, there you go. State your name for the record, Mr. Gallimore.
Mark Gallimore.
All right, date is the date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Gallimore, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, join the room and wait on Ms. Harris. He's in there.
Thank you.
Corporal, I got you signed in.
Okay, I just wanted to have 3 other courtrooms.
Go ahead. All right, everything good?
Yes, thank you.
All right, here's Ms. Horn running the license.
Yes.
The license is valid. Oh, she's gone.
Excuse me, on Eric asked, I didn't have a file for him. I didn't see a print.
I put a thorough. Gaskin. Unmute yourself, please.
Yes.
All right, the case is gonna be dismissed. You paid City of Detroit versus Eric Daniel Gaskin, case number SP 16869-621. State your name for the record, please.
It's Eric Gaskin.
All right, today is date and time set for review. The case will be dismissed. You paid your obligation. If there's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
And Your Honor, good morning, City Prosecutor. Good morning to Your Honor. And I think I just need co-host, Your Honor.
You got it.
Okay, thank you so much.
Judge, was Gaskin on the docket for today?
Yes, that's at the review.
Oh.
Top of the list. Where is Attorney Brown? Is he here? Did he fall off? Are we ready on anyone? You can go, Ms. Bradfield, and go and find out from Ms. Horn if she's gonna honor that at all.
I may have a different docket, Judge, because I don't have it. Is it was it Eric, ERIC?
ERIC Daniel, DANIEL, Gaskin, GASKN.
That's because they closed it out and made a payment. So thank you.
Hello, Your Honor. This is Gozik.
Say that again.
This is Gozik. I was here on line. I think I heard that his attorney was here. I'm not sure if there's anything that I can do to assist with that
Yeah,
part.
well, I'm gonna get, I don't know if he's here now. I think he left. We'll get you to the room with the attorney, with the state city as soon as we can.
Yes, sir.
And good morning to you. This 313-586-625-7870. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
He's talking to me?
I guess so.
This is Mark Gallimore.
No, I'm talking to 313-586-625-7870.
Hello, great morning. This is Charlene Lust.
No, oh, you're on Charlene. 625-7870.
Yes, this is Charlene Lust.
Okay, all right. Who has Ms. Who was on the record for Ms. Lust? Just try. Is that Ms. Bradfield? Yes. Ms. Lust, I'm gonna put you in 4 and wait on Ms. Bradfield. Okay? You don't have to do anything. You're just gonna automatically go to 4. I mean the 5.
Okay.
On the phone at 313-728-4885. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Montrese Cloud.
Is that you?
Yes.
On the phone?
Yes.
And what's your name?
Montrese Cloud.
I didn't hear.
Montrese Cloud.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
You. Montrese Lyle?
Cloud.
Cloud?
Yes.
Are you in the right courtroom?
I believe so.
Do you have a case number?
It's housing.
Is it landlord 10?
No, you're in the wrong one. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Are we ready on Ms. Taveras?
Not quite, Your Honor. I need to speak with Ms. Horn, but I was ready on Mr. Gallimore, and Mr. Oliver appears to still be here. I'm not sure if there was more that we needed to do on that one.
Let's go back on the record with Gallimore. Mr. Gallimore, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, Mr. Gallimore is requesting that an attorney be appointed. He does want to take his matters to trial.
Need appointed attorney, Mr. Gallimore, that's what you want to do?
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna give you a pretrial date. Is this the best number to reach you here?
Yes, it is.
I'm gonna give you a pretrial date of October the 6th. That date is being set so that attorney has time to contact you. If that attorney does not contact you by October the 6th, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot and we'll get you a trial date on that date. Come back October the 6th, answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't have anything further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Okay. Your Honor, do I come down there personally or continue to do it on phone?
It would be best if you could zoom in so we could see you.
Okay, I'm coming.
Find a way to do, you can come in and do it on Zoom.
No, I want to see you in person. I want to come in person.
Very well. Have a good day. Best of luck to you.
All right.
All right.
Thank you.
You as well.
October 6th.
October 6th.
Okay, I'm clear?
You're clear.
Okay, thank you. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
What's his name, Judge?
That was Gallimore. Stephen Oliver, you said Stephen Oliver. What were you saying about an Oliver that's still in the room?
Mr. Stephen Oliver, I thought we did him earlier and, oh, no, he's still here.
He's still there. Press *6, Mr. Oliver, to unmute yourself, please.
He was getting an appointed attorney and he was getting the email, so that he could show his employer that this matter was, the warrant was
Hello?
recalled.
Yeah.
I'm sending it right now.
Miss Mathis is sending you that register of action so you can show your employer. If you don't have anything further, sir, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Yeah, I had one other thing. It seems like whatever mail is being sent out to me is being sent to that old address. So I need to give somebody the new address in case you guys send some mail so I can get it.
It's a new address.
Okay, he has to give it to me because I'm not do it over again. Okay, what's the new address?
No, new address, not email address, address.
It might be
What is
easier
your-
for him to respond. Could he just respond to the email that Ms. Mathis sends him with his with his new mailing address?
Or you can
I
say
mean,
it,
I can do.
you can say it now.
Because I was gonna change the register of action so it can reflect it before I send the email.
Yes, ma'am.
What's the new address, sir?
It's 9961 Berkshire, BERKSH.
I don't think he was saying address.
Berkshire, Detroit. That's
Okay,
east
I
side.
got 9961 Berkshire,
Yes.
correct?
Yes.
What's the zip code? 482?
48224.
Okay, thank you.
Okay,
All right,
thank you. Is
we'll
that
get
it?
everything straight.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. You guys have a great day.
You have a better one. Mr. Ogletree, are you ready? No, he's not. Mr.
Your Honor, did we
Ferguson?
confirm the license for Ms.
Yeah, she has a valid
Ontiveros?
license. She has a valid
Okay.
license.
I am going to go speak with Ms. Horn.
All right.
Your Honor, I had a question.
Who's that?
Nick Hagelin.
Okay. Your attorney didn't answer that for you?
No, she told me to join back in this call because I was supposed to get another court date, but I didn't know if I was still supposed to stay in here or not.
Yeah, just give her a minute.
Okay.
I'm working on something now.
Good morning, Corporal Paul.
Good morning.
I have you check in, so if you need to go and check in at other court, you can do so. If not, we'll try to get you out of here as soon as we can.
Okay, this is the only courtroom I have today.
All right.
Yo.
All right, we're just waiting on the lawyer. Oh, Owens, is Owens here? No.
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, good morning.
No, not that Owens, I'm sorry. It's another.
Oh, no.
Sorry. Owens. Oh. You are the interpreter.
Yes.
Miss Grady, Marquita Grady.
Yes,
Do you have valid insurance, ma'am?
yes, yes.
City of Detroit versus Marquita Maria Grady. Case number SP 175158881. State your name for the record, please.
Markeisha Grady.
Markeisha.
Mhm.
It says here Marketia. Is
Yes.
that the correct spelling?
Yes,
Are you pronouncing Markeisha?
yes.
Okay. Day is date time set for a pretrial. Do you want to show it to me, or do you want to go in the breakout room with the
It's in a car. If I can run down and go get it.
Okay. We'll pass them out.
Huh?
We'll pass the matter.
I can't hear you.
We'll pass the matter. Go get the insurance, and we'll get you out of here.
Okay.
Diane Gillespie. Unmute yourself, please. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you doing today?
I'm well. Do you have valid registration and insurance?
Not at this time, Your Honor. I have an interview on the 19th.
Give me
Pardon?
a minute. Give me a minute.
Okay.
All right. Harris, are we ready?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Ontiveros. Mr. Ontiveros, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
There's a recommendation to dismiss, Your Honor. We ask the court to adopt a recommendation which stipulates a probable cause.
All right, with that, we'll dismiss the case, ma'am. If it's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
So am I good to go?
You're good to go.
Do I have to pay any fee?
No, you don't.
Okay, thank you so much.
All right, best of luck.
Does Gamboa?
Ontiveros, yes.
8:35.
Be safe. We're ready on Miss Grady. Let's call LaJean Graham.
Speaking. Hi, good morning, Your Honor.
On to you. City of Detroit versus John Anton. 9792, SP 113-28711, SP 113-3879, SP 130966318, SP 845068, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 9751962. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Graham, please state your name for the record.
LeJean Graham.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrant be recalled.
Whether or not guilty defendants, we have calling in all warrant. All right, let's pass it momentarily. Just sit and fight for 1 second, Mr. Graham. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Grady. Ms. Grady, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. Apparently she's got documentation for this insurance, Ms. Harris. Join the room, Ms. Grady, and Ms. Harris will get you an updated offer. If you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Okay.
What's your appearance of record for Grady, please? All right. Pass the matter. Mr. Berry, are we ready on
Ms. Lester, Your Honor, we're ready.
Ready on Lester? Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lester. Ms. Lester, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we would avail ourselves of the people's offer to enter a plea to the failure to present an entertainment card on the basis of a 3-month delayed sentence, the open alcohol matter to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? You swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Are you going to put your hand down? Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did you not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention. This goes back to 2022.
Yes.
Let me draw your attention back to February 4th, 2022 at around 10:30 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of 8140 Michigan Avenue. Were you around that area around that day and that time?
Yes.
And what is that? That's an adult entertainment establishment?
Yes.
And were you working there at that time, ma'am?
I was working there.
And did you not have the proper licenses to work in that industry at that time?
I did not. It was expired by a couple of days. I just forgot.
All right, very well. I'm gonna find your client guilty as charged. $240 will be the fine. I'm gonna give you until December the 8th to make sure that that's paid. You can pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit, or you can upload the DivDat app to your phone. But stipulation probable cause will dismiss the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right. So it's $240, ma'am. Come back on December the 8th. If it's paid, you don't have to come back. We'll automatically dismiss it. But if it's not paid, we need to see you. Okay, December the 8th. Paid any div that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you're not supposed to div that after your phone. Well, come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you, all right?
Okay, thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Diane Lynn Gillespie, case number SP 176044661, SP 176044541.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gillespie.
Diane Gillespie.
All right, Ms. Gillespie, the date is the date and time set for a free trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay? We'll pass the matter.
And Your Honor, I am ready on both my clients.
All right. Let's go back
And
on the
ready.
record. Go ahead.
I was just gonna say ready on Grady, but I can wait.
Let's go back on the record with Grady. Ms. Harris, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to your client.
Your Honor, she has presented valid documentation. And the city has no objection to a dismissal.
Okay, I'm gonna dismiss the case, Ms. Grady. You still owe the court for an old expired plate 228, okay?
Okay, yeah, I paid one of them. I'm gonna pay that one too.
Best of luck to you, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Graham, LaJean Graham. Ms. Harris, can you put your appearance on the record for Mr. Graham?
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Graham, please state your name.
LaJean Graham. Good morning.
Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, counsel.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrant be recalled.
Only all warrants are not guilty on your client's behalf. We'll give them a $0 fine. Mr. Graham, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to withdraw. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
Yes, sir. I have a question.
What is your question?
I'm supposed to ask for a junification from the court.
Speak to Ms. Harris.
Yes, sir.
All right, join the room, please. All right, let's go back on the record, or let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gillen. Ms. Gillen, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
I did speak to Ms. Horn in regards to the driver improvement course. She is willing to take that in consideration next court date.
All right, Ms. Gillen, I'm gonna give you another pretrial date to give you an opportunity to take that driver improvement course again. If you give me the information up front, if you send that to me ahead of time, then it will make things go a little quicker. I'm going to put the pretrial date of October the 6th, 2025 at 8:30. Do you have any further questions, ma'am?
No, you said October 6th at 8:30.
October 6th at 8:30, yes. All right.
Okay.
I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
You too, thank you.
All right.
I'm free to go.
You're free to leave.
Okay.
Mr. Brown, Attorney Brown, Mr. Lynham is here and the officer is here. I'm gonna put Mr. Lynham in breakout room 6. You can go to 4 and meet with the city attorney. And then you can go to 6, just make sure your client knows and understands his advice or rights when, if he takes the deal today, all right?
Thank you, Judge, will do.
You have the ability to move around, so you don't have to. All right, let's go, Mr. Lynham. Well, he's already in 6. All right, Linton, is Linton ready?
Judge, excuse me for a quick moment, please.
Yes.
This is Officer Kozik. I spoke to the prosecutor. I'm in a 40-hour block training here. She said she would contact me and I can be on standby. Is that okay with you?
Well, go back in that breakout room. She's in there right now and tell them that Lynham is here.
Okay. Okay, if you can put me back in there with her, I can tell her.
You already, all you have to do down is go down to the bottom. It says say, join. I can switch you and make it a little easier.
Oh, boy.
Detroit versus Austin DeRay Linton, case number SP 175-7419, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please. Can you run his license? Mr. Ogletree. Is he here?
I'm here. I don't know if Mr.
Ogletree is, all right, you have to wait on your lawyer. Good morning to you, sir. All right, we have to wait on your lawyer. Ms. Harris.
Could we check the status of Mr. Graham's license, please? And I am sending a message to the court as well.
Okay, Officer Nazar,
Yes.
have you checked in after the grace period? Who's your defendant?
Defendant is going to be Mr. Lowe.
I don't see you on the docket at all. You want to give me a break?
No, it's true.
You want to give me a case number?
Yeah, it's going to be SP 1711-2102.
Level 220.
220.
Yes, be safe.
All right, thank you.
All right, who are we ready on?
Ready as to Ms. Gillespie, Your Honor.
And Your Honor, also ready for the in-person, Ms. Lust.
Okay. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gillespie. Ms. Gillespie, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what your client want to do?
We seek a bench trial date, Your Honor.
That's what you want, Ms. Gillespie?
Yes, sir.
October 14, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you so much. You guys have a great day too.
You as well. Thank you.
Thank you.
City of Detroit. Versus Mr. Berry versus Reginald Corey. Reginald's license too. Case number 227-47306. Counts 1, counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Ori.
Reginald Gorey.
All right, good morning to you. Is there an officer? You may not have to do it. Is there an officer Fardy, F-A-F-R-A-D-I, Assad Fardy? I don't see that officer. I do not see that officer in the room.
Hey, Judge, can I say quick something?
No, sir. Just be quiet, sir.
Okay. Sorry.
The motion is for dismissal, Your Honor.
Officer FRADI. Hearing no response, not having seen that person in the, that officer here in the room, I'll grant the motion to dismiss, no officer. If there's nothing further, you want to say something? The case is dismissed. Go ahead.
I just want to say, I ain't know. I thought I was gonna go further. I about to say I have my license now, though. Everything been paid off.
All right. I hope so, because you were driving in court, so. But case dismissed anyway. No officer. I'll waive the warrant fee. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
All right. Congratulations on the license too.
Thank you.
Good morning, Your Honor. Apologize to disturb you. Castillo, I am an interpreter that you were requesting me to. I came.
Good morning. Morning, Senior Castillo. Can you state your name for the record, please?
First name Jose, last name Castillo, Castillo. I was called to start interpretation for Gomez Sofia, SP 175-99541.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret the matter down before the court, not divulge confidential communications. So help you God.
I do, Your Honor.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability you'll interpret from English to Spanish to English?
I do, Your Honor.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Sofia Gomez, case number SP 175-9954, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
El legajo SP 105-99-541, dos cuentas contra la señorita Gómez Sofía con la ciudad de Detroit.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gomez.
¿Cuál es su nombre completo, señora Gómez?
Buenos días, Sofía Gómez.
Good morning, Sofía Gómez.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute.
Para propósitos de la lectura de cargos, mi cliente se queda callada.
Well, not guilty plea in your client's behalf, will give your client a $0 bond.
Él le va a declarar no culpable a la defendida y vamos a verlo en lo que se refiere a la fianza.
Ms. Gomez, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to withdraw.
Mira, señora, la van a llevar a un cuarto para que platique con su abogado de manera privada, a ver qué le ofrece, y no tiene que tomar la oferta si usted no quiere, pero apriete así donde dice join. ¿Está bien?
Ok. Aquí.
Let's pass the matter. Miss Bradfield, are you ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
Who's your client? Miss Lust. Let's go back.
Ms. Lust, in person.
All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Lust. Miss Lust, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would like to enter a responsible plea and accept the people's recommendation, and that is if she was to plead to the improper left turn, it will be amended to blockading traffic, and the other 2 matters will be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Miss Lust?
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf.
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
That stipulation, I'm gonna find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175, Ms. Lust. When can you pay it?
Can I get until December, if possible?
December?
I was in a car accident, so a fire truck hit me September.
So what did Fred Sanford say? What did Bubba tell Fred? Miss Lust, you sitting on a gold mine.
Just give me some time to pay it,
December 8th, I hope you get better.
Okay.
December 8th. Pay it in any DIV that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I told you can upload the DIV that app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the 2 best ways. I can tell you to pay it, Miss Lust. If you don't have anything further, I wish you a speedy recovery and have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you.
All right.
Have a great one.
Let's get Lakara Liddell, Kari Liddell. Unmute yourself, start your camera, please.
Sorry. Okay. Yeah, sorry.
Say the correct pronunciation of your name.
Kyra Liddell.
Okay, good morning to you.
Good morning.
You got to start your camera. That's not an option.
I know I'm trying. It's not letting me.
City of Detroit versus Kara Liddell, case number SP 1760329, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Tiffany Bradshaw on behalf of Ms. Liddell. State your name for the record, please.
Yeah, Kyra Liddell.
All right, Ms. Liddell, good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge.
Time set for a pre-trial. Ms. Liddell, I'll put you in a breakout room with Ms. Bradfield. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Okay.
Ms. Liddell, join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
All right. Thank you.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Linton. Mr. Linton, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Yes,
I do have a valid driver's license.
yes, it's all charges being dismissed for compliance.
All right, Mr. Linton, did you state your name for the record?
Austin DeRay Linton.
Case is dismissed, sir, for providing valid documentation. There's nothing further. Have a very good day and best of luck to you, all right?
Thank you. I had a question really quick, if you don't mind me asking.
What is that?
How would I go about finding out who was using my identification and filing a police report on them for this case?
Well, I would say you need to go to the Secretary of State and say that and let them know. It's gonna make you jump through some hoops and whenever you get stopped, but if you know, you got your ID and stuff, but that would be the first step in doing that. I don't know if there's any way that you can find out who actually did that. But that will kind of put a measure in so that it'll make it more difficult for them to do it again.
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Linden, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Thank you.
Have a good day, Your Honor.
All right, you too, Mr. Brown, are we ready on lineup?
I believe so, Judge. Did the city attorney send in the offer or?
Oh, she hasn't sent it in yet. Know the offer?
Pardon me?
Know the offer?
We're going to accept the offer. She's dismissing a number of cases.
Let's call it the City of Detroit versus Bernard Lynham, case number SP 1232466, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 130049993, SP 1327261, SP 1365566, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1747551, SP 1747531, SP 1753280, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1753284, counts 1 and 3. 18449032, counts 1, counts 2, and counts 3. 18449033, counts 1, counts 2, and 194656401. Appearance to the record, please.
Ok, va a dar lo reprobado, pues, no se espera se quede en corto.
No, Mr. Attorney Brown, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Please the court. My name is Mark Brown. My P number is 39562. I'm here on behalf of Mr. Renard Lynham, who's present via Zoom. Mr. Lynham, state your name for the record, sir.
Renard Lynham.
All right, good morning to you, sir. The date is the date and time set for a trial/formal hearing. Corporal Spidell, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, for the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Corporal Spidell, badge 402, Detroit Police Department.
according to you, is that Corporal Gozik, of Officer Gozik. He's here. I'll put mark him as a peer. Is there an Officer Bell? Is there an Officer Pitts? Is there an Officer Ganam? Law enforcement officer. We have some other, you got the background there, Mr. Brown, Attorney Brown, you got some background noise. We have some other cases that were not called into the record for some reason. These are the older cases, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yet all the older cases, 18-449032, and those cases were not in the record. Let me see what's going on with that. They're in warrant status. We're gonna have to come back anyway. Purposes of arraignment on those tickets. I don't know why, I don't know what happened with those. Mr. Brown.
We waive phone reading stand mute, Judge.
In or not guilty plea on the clients you have, give your client a $0 bond. Do you want to go back and speak to the city to see if you can encompass these into the deal or not? Or do you want to reset it all for one day? Or do you want to take the deal today and come back again on another day? Who's your client?
We'll move forward and see if I can talk to Ms. Horn.
Okay, you want to go back and talk to Ms. Horn, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's pass the matter. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Gomez. Ms. Gomez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your plan?
Están hablando de la señora Gómez, va a preguntarle a su abogado qué arreglo hizo con usted en la plática privada.
Ok, pero yo tengo esta, la internacional, ¿se puede?
Just a moment, Ms. Gomez. Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date so that she might return with documents.
Pedimos que se haga una fecha para que haga un juicio por el juez para que ella pueda tener todos los documentos pertinentes.
All right, come back for a trial on October the 14th, 2025 at 9 a.m. I'll mark the file needs Spanish interpreter.
Muy bien, señora, traiga todos sus documentos el mes de octubre, el día 14 del 2025 a las 9 de la mañana y van a pedir que haya un intérprete para usted esa fecha. ¿Está bien?
Ok, está bien. Y le quería preguntar, la internacional. Tengo unos.
Okay, I don't want to say this is the international. I don't know.
I don't know what she's saying, Mr. Berry.
I'm not sure I know either, Your Honor. I asked about licenses, and she's getting a Michigan license.
Yo tampoco no entiendo lo que dice, señora. Lo que pasa es que eso tiene usted que decirle a su abogado en ese momento. Y si entonces ahorita no entiende qué está usted diciendo.
Ok, está bien todo.
Never mind, thank you.
Have a great day, and Mr. Castillo, good to meet you, and have a very good rest of your day as well.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
Yes, thank you, Mr. Castillo.
Thank you.
Ok, thank you.
Bye.
Okay, this is Mr. Owens now. Very,
Good morning, Your Honor.
Okay, Dana.
City of Detroit versus, is it Ali Wynn, Dion Owens?
Alwyn Owens, sir.
Say that again.
Alwyn Owens.
Alwyn Owens?
Alwyn Owens Jr., yes.
All right, City of Detroit versus Alvin Owens Jr., case number SP 175-7910, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 175-79421. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Owens, for the record.
Owen Dion Owens Jr.
Good morning to you. Today
Good morning,
is
Your
the
Honor.
date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Berry, give Mr. Owens an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Owens, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. We'll pass the matter. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right? Let's go back on the record with Mr. Graham. Mr. Graham, Ms. Harris, I have a valid driver's license for Mr. Graham. Mr. Graham, let us know what you, what Ms. Harris, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are going to request a trial date so that he can get final adjudication of his matters.
Final adjudication for the trial
And
date.
Mr. Graham, just make
I'm
sure you
here.
bring all of the documentation on the trial date that the judge is about to give you.
Okay, and that's the items that I just showed you confirmed.
That is correct.
Thank you.
And
Thank
I'm
you.
going to give you a trial date of October 14, 2025 at 9 a.m., Mr. Graham. If there's nothing further, you have a very good day and best of luck to you, okay?
You as well. Thank you.
Thank you.
I can go ahead.
You can go.
All right.
This is the City of Detroit versus Devonna Nicole Green. Case number is SP 175-8414, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 176-99471. Appearance to be record, please.
Cherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Devonna Nicole Green.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
Today is the date and time set for a show cause. There's another matter that's on the docket, but it's not, that I call into the record that is set for tomorrow for arraignment at 9 a.m. Go ahead, I mean at 1:30. Go ahead on the, for the arraignment on that matter.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf on all matters and give her a $0 bond. So you don't have to come back tomorrow at 1:30, Ms. Green. Ms. Harris is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room, Ms. Harris. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
Join the room, we'll pass the matter. Join the breakout room, Mr. Greenwood. All right, good morning to both of you. How can we help?
Good morning, Mr. O'Neill, I represent through a program, and I talked to the prosecutor last week to see if he can get it to street court. He has a couple of warrants and everything want to pull back, as well as.
What's his name?
O'Neill. He's not on the docket.
O'Neill.
Yes, Kevin O'Neill, sir.
Is that O-N-E-A-L?
O-N-E-A-L,
Yes, sir. All right, what is your first name?
Kevin.
Kevin. Good morning to you, Mr. O'Neill.
Good morning to you. I spoke to the prosecutor on.
This is, you said $200 cash bond.
Yes, he's not unemployed at the moment, and we was wondering if be amended.
Yeah, we're not gonna give him, we'll give him a $0 bond. You need to speak to street court?
Yes, if I can get him.
Can you zoom in? We'll get street court in here now.
Yeah.
You want to zoom in, Judge?
Yeah, if you could zoom in, I'm gonna get Mr. Patel. All right, let's step up. City of Detroit, this is an off docket matter, Miss Williams Law. The city of Detroit versus Kevin Lamont O'Neill. Up into the podium here.
Just speak to
And
the
you can
mic.
give them an advice or right
Have to
to
grab.
as well. Are you representing them?
I'm not an attorney. I'm a private consultant for the program.
Oh, what's your name again?
David Paul, sir.
Did we speak on the Zoom a couple of months ago?
No, sir.
Oh, there's another program like yours. City of Detroit versus Kevin Lamont O'Neill. Case number SP 1184409, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1184408-1, SP 1570345-1, SP 1570347-1, SP 4316401, SP 879562, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 975266, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 9752671, 18367906, counts 1 and counts 2. 18367907. State your name for the record, please.
That's Kevin O'Neill.
Mr. Berry, is there a lawyer in here?
Stephanie Bradfield on behalf of Mr. O'Neill.
All right, Ms. Bradfield, for purposes of arraignment on the warrants.
Purpose of arraignment, he stand mute, wait for my readings, ask that the warrants be recalled, Your Honor.
I'm gonna recall the warrants. I'm gonna enter not guilty on your client's behalf and give you a $0 bond. Who wrote that $200 cash bond down there?
The
All right, I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea, give you a $0 bond. I'm gonna ask you, you can sit in the courtroom and wait on Mr. Patel. He usually comes in pretty promptly. And then I see you, I'll join you in the room when he comes in. I will say this, there's 3 no insurance proofs. I will allow you, even though street court should encompass it, I will allow you to pay these $345 reinstatement fees. That's $135. I don't know if you're situated to do that. But if you paid those, you would get clearances down here at the 36th District Court, potentially set yourself up to get a valid driver's license. And I say potentially because I don't know what your driver's license looks in other jurisdictions.
Okay.
But if it's clear in other jurisdictions, these are what's are holding you up for this court.
Okay, yeah, I just have them in Wayne and East Point.
Oh, so you got other issues. All right, so we'll pass the matter, have a seat, and then we'll get you to we'll get you and wait on Mr. Patel to come in, all right?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Slidell. Ms. Slidell, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what your client want to do?
Ryan, we would like a short adjournment for compliance, please.
Well, all right, what about a pretrial? I imagine, are you gonna have your stuff together by the 6th of October?
Yes, I will.
All right, come back on the 6th of October at 8:30, ma'am. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Okay, thank you. You too, Judge.
You're welcome. This is the city of Detroit versus Ladarian Gilmore. Case numbers SP 1523359, counts 1 and counts 2, and count 3. SP 1560540, counts 1 and count 2 and counts 3. And SP 1482047-1. Appearance for the record, please.
Stephanie Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Gilmore. State your name for the record.
Darian Gilmer.
All right, Mr. Gilmore, good morning to you. For the purposes of arraignment, counsel.
For purpose of arraignment, he stand mute, wait for my readings, ask that the warrant be called, Your Honor.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll get your client a $0 bond. So you see only one case on the docket, You ready, Ms. Harris?
Bradfield, yes.
I'm sorry, Bradfield. Driving license suspended. No insurance misdemeanor. Driving license suspended. Unregistered untitled. No insurance misdemeanor. And drove while license expired. Mr. Gilmore, we're gonna treat it like a one-stop shop. I'm gonna recall the warrants and get you an offer on everything. He does owe a seatbelt ticket, $78, expired plate ticket, $174, defective equipment ticket, $144 that went with the SB 156 tickets. He also owes a disregard and a red signal, $156, and an equipment violation, $144, that went with that last driving while license suspended 148 ticket. Miss Bradfield's gonna get you an updated offer, sir. If you don't like the offer, keep in mind you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with her. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Yeah.
Join the room. Pass the matter. The city has got your offer. I'm letting Mr. Lynham speak with his lawyer about it. They're in there talking now, I guess.
Okay, no problem. I thought that.
Leave the number in the chat if you need to, and if we need to call you, we will.
Yeah, I left it with the prosecutor. I thought
Very
that
good.
agreed to
Very
take it.
good.
But it's a mandatory training, so I mean, if she shoots me a text, I can log right back in. I just wanted to
Very
make.
good. Be safe out there. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you kindly, Your Honor.
Did you get him? Did you get
Yes, I did.
Did you?
We can double check.
Gooseby, is Gooseby here? I don't think Gooseby ever showed. Gooseby, Don Rico Gooseby. Okay, Corporal Rule. Corporal Ho.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I didn't see Officer Nelson, but it doesn't matter because Gooseby never showed. I don't know if Officer Thornton. Any of the officers here on Gooseby are gonna be free to leave. Be safe out there. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, too, Your Honor.
No Gooseby here, right? What's that? Oh, wait a minute. Let me see. Who's on that iPhone? Give me 1 second. On that iPhone 12 Max Pro Max 2. Unmute yourself, please.
Devontae
What is your
Gardner.
name, sir?
Devontae Gardner.
Oh, Devontae Gardner. Okay. All right. Everybody on Gooseby is free to leave. Good morning to you, Mr. Gardner.
How you doing?
I'm well. How about yourself?
It's moving. It's moving.
Devontae Gardner is Garner, right? Not Gardner. Garner, right?
Gardner, no D in the last name.
There we go. All right. Mr. Gardner, do you have proper documentation?
Yes.
You do?
Yes. But they sent me something saying that my license is suspended.
I'm not looking for your license. I don't know why it should be suspended, not from this stuff here.
It was registration and insurance.
This stuff should not have suspended your license. I don't believe.
That's what they, if I'm not mistaken, it should be, I got the paperwork somewhere over here. They said they suspended my plate and they suspended my license. They told me to go turn my license.
Oh, that's some other stuff. No, we gotta wait.
Well, I did go to Secretary of State and get my registration, and that's all I needed.
We gotta wait.
Yes, Jeff.
All right, are we ready on Gilmore? Let's go back on the record with Mr. Redarian Gilmore. Mr. Gilmore, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what your client want to do?
Your Honor, we would like to ask that these matters be set for a pretrial, to give him opportunity to come into compliance with this license.
Mr. Gilmer, I'm gonna set a pretrial date for October the 6th, 2025, 8:30 a.m. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
All right.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good day.
Okay.
This is the City of Detroit versus Dalvian Roberto Randall Oliver, case number SP 169-48921, SP 169-31, SP 171266671. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Oliver, state your name for the record.
Dalvin Oliver.
Alvin, I'm sorry. Morning to you, sir. Day of date and time set for on the bench warrant. Go ahead, counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, he stand mute, waive formal readings, ask that the warrants be recalled.
Not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. Mr. Oliver, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Bradfield. There's an improper display of plate that I don't have any issue with setting aside if the city doesn't have any issue with setting that matter aside.
Tamika Horn on behalf of the city, no issues, Your Honor. Thank you.
Very well. And he owes $288 on an old no-ops ticket that he never paid. I can probably get him down this one time back to the original cost of that ticket. That's when I first started. That's $240. I'll do that. You have to pay it. All right, Mr. Oliver, go in the breakout room, speak to Ms. Bradfield. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
All right, thank you.
And Your Honor, if I could have co-host, I'll be here for the rest of the morning. I'm done in my other courtroom.
You got it already.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Kevin Oliver. Mr. Patel, put your appearance on the record with Mr. Kevin Oliver. O'Neill, I'm sorry, strike that. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Kevin O'Neill. Mr. Patel, can you put your appearance on the record for Kevin O'Neill, please?
Yes, Your Honor. J.H. Patel, P number 65385 for Mr. O'Neill. Mr. O'Neill, would you please state your name for the record?
Yes, Kevin O'Neill.
All right, Mr. O'Neill, I'm gonna put you and Mr. Patel in the breakout room, have a conversation, and let's see if Mr. Patel can help you out, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter. You came out of the room green.
I didn't know
early.
if I was supposed to stay in there or not.
You are supposed to stay in there. Harris talking to the city attorney. All right.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. This is the City of Detroit versus Charles Anthony Greenwood Jr., case number Z8095041. Appearance for the record, please.
May it please the court, Vassal Johnson II, P72130, on behalf of Mr. Greenwood. He's on Zoom, Judge.
Mr. Greenwood, good morning to you.
Good morning. How you doing, Your Honor?
Very well. I should have asked, I should have gotten the probation department down here first. How is it going on the bond? How is the testing going?
Testing is still going great. Still testing once a week.
And that has not been any issue with that?
No, sir.
Go ahead, Mr. Johnson.
Yes, Your Honor. Just want to state that as far as I see on the PSI, his bond is going well. I know he has a medical marijuana card. He's still employed. He mentioned to me that he's been on bond since January. And I understand the recommendation is asking for a year. I was just hoping that it could be 6 months instead of a year since he's been doing so well and still maintaining his job, no new cases, anything of that nature.
Let's get probation down here.
Okay.
Mr. Anything as it relates to the report?
Oh, it's factually accurate. We've read it. Thank you for your staff. She sent it Friday.
Thank you, Ms. Mathis.
I talked to him about expungement being eligible. Only thing on his record, only conviction on his record. It's factually accurate. No additions, deletions, or corrections.
So tell us about this employment of yours. You get paid to play video games, huh?
No. Yes, sir. I mean, yes, at the casino. Yes, sir.
That's something else there. Are you any good?
Oh, you already know I'm the best dealer in the city. You already know.
What type of games do you play?
Oh, well, I play a little bit of everything. Roulette, blackjack, poker, Texas Hold'em.
So
A little bit of everything.
that's online gaming.
Yes, sir.
And that's a job now.
Yep. But, just gambling, like pretty much online casino.
Card games then, huh?
Yep, online casino. Yep, online. Like MGM, FanDuel, pretty much online.
And you can make a living off of that?
I'm looking for something new, but right now,
I
just
think
keeping
so.
me afloat. Keeping me afloat.
I didn't think you could really make a living off of it.
No. I'm better off. You better off streaming than doing that now. But yeah, it's just something I can, that I'm just in for the moment, and I'm still looking for something way better. Way better for sure. But no, yeah.
I don't care how good you are, the odds are always going to prevail.
You right, Your Honor, man. How's this gonna prevail, man?
It's all it is too.
Mm-hmm.
He's not on the dock.
You said he's not.
No.
Okay.
Oh, so we haven't been according to, you messed it up. According to the probation department on July the 10th, you say everything in this report is factually accurate. He was positive for alcohol, THC and alcohol on July the 10th. So you told me, according to the report, a falsehood.
Let me see. What page, Your Honor?
Page 2, last paragraph on the first paragraph, the last sentence.
Oh, July 9th.
July 10th.
I was calling her from 17 plus I sent it to you.
I'm not seeing July 10th on my PSI here.
I have it saying, as the date of this report, all tests have been returned positive for THC, which that's what I chuckled about. Then it's comma with the exception of the test conducted on July the 10th, 2025, which was positive for both THC and alcohol.
That was
You want to go back and speak with your client in the breakout room?
Trying to find it as well. Oh, I see it. It's on my page 3. Yes, please.
All right, go back in there.
Thank you. Mr. Greenroad, you can join that breakout room.
All right, are we ready on anyone?
Your Honor, if possible, if I could get an SOS check on Mr. Oliver. Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Green. Ms. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is going to enter a plea to the amended count of improper plates. She is requesting that the court, if the court would, allow her to do community service in lieu of any fines and costs.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You understand the maximum possible, you can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $5,000 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Anybody offered you anything other than what's stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to July the 16th, 2025 at around 4:05 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of 7 Mile and Grosvenor. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating this 2010 Dodge, white in color on that day?
I wasn't.
Your Honor, does this go along with the other ticket?
No, this is a separate incident. You're talking about the allowing?
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
Was that Grosvenor, or that wasn't your 2010 Dodge?
Yes.
It was?
Yes.
All right. What's your question, Ms. Harris?
I don't have a question, Your Honor.
All right, what the officer asked you to produce valid insurance for that Dodge?
I wasn't in the car.
Did you allow that car to be operated knowing that it didn't have insurance? This is not the day for the allowing. This is a totally different date.
Okay, yeah.
This is the date for the Grosvenor, 7 Mile and Grosvenor. You weren't in the car at that time?
No, sir, I was not in the car. I was at home asleep.
But you let somebody drive that car, correct?
Yeah, I knew they didn't have license. I didn't know they left, but yes, I knew they didn't have license.
Okay, but you let them drive that car. So the fact of the matter is, I know that you're kind of mystified, like, I wasn't even driving the car. How can I get a ticket and I wasn't driving the car? That's what your question is, right?
No and yes.
Do you understand why you got the ticket?
Yes. Yes.
You do understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the car was operable, you let somebody drive the car, I gotta find you guilty because that officer can write you the ticket for no insurance, misdemeanor, no registration, and mail it to you. And they can write that other person a civil infraction of not showing proof of insurance and no registration. So I'll find you guilty, stipulate the probable cause, will dismiss the other two matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right. 12 hours of community service. I need a good phone number from you, ma'am.
Your Honor, I placed it in the chat.
All right. I'm gonna refer to community service. You should get a call. You shouldn't have to call them. They should call you. But I'm gonna give you the number to community service anyway, and then you know how to get back in the court. I'm gonna give you until next month to complete these hours. Come back on October the 9th, 2025 at 8:25. The number to community service is 313-965.
I have to write it down somewhere. I'm gonna put it in the notes. Okay,
313-965-8130. Again, you shouldn't have to call them. They should call you. But if you don't hear from them in a week or so, then you can always zoom back in or give them a call, and we'll get you in contact with them. I'm going to give you until October the 9th to complete the hours, 12 hours of community service. You get the hours completed, we'll dismiss the case. Do you have anything further?
No, sir.
Okay. Ms. Green, have a very good day and best of luck to you, okay?
You too. Thank you.
And Your Honor, I just need one file to, the line of file, Judge.
Say that again.
The line of file.
Okay.
Just need. May I approach you? Okay, thank you.
And do we have an update on Mr. Oliver's SOS?
Mr. Oliver's SOS is valid. All right, give me 1 second on Oliver. Let me get 1 second on Oliver. Mr. Osborne, are you there? Zion Osborne? Did he leave? Oh, he's
Yeah, I'm right here.
Okay, good morning. All right, City of Detroit versus Zion Osborne, case number SP 1479311, SP 175352221. Here's for the record, please, Ms. Harris.
Sherika Harris on behalf of defendant Osborne. Please state your name for the record.
Zion Osborne.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
All right, we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. He has another ticket that's on the docket that was in warrant status. We'll recall the warrant. That's an older unregistered untitled ticket. That allegation was made on July the 29th of 2023. Mr. Osborne, speak to Ms. Harris in the breakout room. Again, she's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, please. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
And Your Honor, could you indicate again what the warrant status matter was?
Unregistered, untitled.
Thank you.
Let's pass that matter. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Oliver. Mr. Oliver, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do? It's valid, his license is valid, Ms. Bradfield. Is Ms. Bradfield there?
Yeah.
Oh, I think we might have lost.
Unless y'all had something else to it.
Give me a minute. I think we lost connection with Ms. Bradfield. Let's go back on. Let's pass that matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Owens. Mr. Owens, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea to the failure to disclose of the CPL license. That's F4 of the statute, which the prosecutor said she was going to provide the court. It's the
That's the $100 one?
yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor. Tamika Horn on behalf of the people, P70303.
Okay.
The remaining matters to be dismissed.
That's correct, Your Honor.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
That's a civil infraction, correct?
Yes, Your Honor, and amending it from the subsection 5F5 to 4, so that he doesn't have a $500 fine and no license restrictions or suspensions.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
Wow. It's kind of written on the wrong statute. The officer put on 3. He put MCL 257.311, which is the chauffeur's license statute. Let's see, 257. He has 2.215. Let's see what that is. That's the unregistered untitled. What it is, so the ticket is oh, here we go. Oh, here it is. Still wrong. Let's see. He wrote the one no ops under the wrong statute, but that's being dismissed. Well, since this was a MCL, I'll find you responsible as charged to the failure to disclose, except for it's going to be amended to the MCL 28. Four 25 F paren 4, $100. When can you pay it, sir?
As soon as possible, Your Honor.
All right, pay it, get it in here at least by Friday. What's today's date? Get it in here by the 12th at least. Pay it in the DivDac kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDac app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, Mr. Owens. If you don't have anything further, have a very good day and best of luck to you, all right?
Thank you. You too, Your Honor.
Thank you. This is the city of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Twanzetta Patrice Graham, case number SP 162932221. Appearance for the record, please.
Overwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Graham.
Twanzetta Patricia Graham.
All right. Good morning to you, Ms. Graham. Today is date and time set for Raymond on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
Yes, Your Honor. We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on Ms. Graham's behalf. We'll give her a $0 bond. Ms. Graham will put you in a breakout room, Mr. Berry. He's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to the trial, all right? Join the room and we'll pass the matter. Is Brian Oliver here? Okay, no Brian Oliver. No Brian Oliver, correct? Officer Zach, if you don't have anything further, you're free to leave. Oni didn't show either, so all the officers in the room are free to leave the, all right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Osborne. Mr. Osborne, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting a pretrial date.
All right, Mr. Osborne, I'm gonna give you a pretrial of October the 6th, 2025 at 8:30. If it's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Could I reschedule that for a different time?
What do you
If not,
mean?
it's cool. Like
You're in high school?
like later in during that day. No, I got work in the morning though from 6 to 2. Like I'm here right now.
Wait a minute. Turn your camera on.
Like 2 hours.
Are you in high
My
school?
bad. No,
You said you're in high school?
no, I ain't in high school.
What do you have? What do you have?
He said he works from 6 to 2. I think that's what he said, Your Honor.
6 to what?
Yeah, I'm here right now. I've been here since 4 o'clock. Been in his Zoom call.
6 to 2, Judge.
6 to 2. Oh, 6 to 2. Well, just zoom in. If you have the documentation and stuff, we'll get you out of here right away, all right? Because we'll be gone.
Okay.
We won't have an afternoon docket on that day.
Okay, I can make it then. 8:30. You said.
All right, just let me know you're at work. All right, we'll get you out of here as soon as we can.
Okay.
All right, October the 6th at 8:30. All right.
All right. Yes, sir.
Be safe. Best of luck to you.
Sure.
All right. Ms. Harris, Ms. Lyon. Is Ms. Lyon there? And as expected, I'm going to press *6 to unmute yourself, Ms. Lyon. This is the city of Detroit, Ms. Harris versus Pamela Lyon, case number SP 174-71331, SP 174-7883, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Cherica Harris, on behalf of Ms. Lyon, please state your name for the record.
Pamela Stephen Lyon.
All right, good morning to you, Ms. Lyon. Again, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Officer, yes, trial. Officer Sexton was here. Corporal Sexton was here.
Check my notes, Your Honor. See.
No, wait a minute. I thought I saw.
Yeah, yes, he was. Your
Yes,
Honor.
he was.
here.
He's not here now.
Ms. Pamela Lyon, Your Honor, Tamika Horn on behalf of the people. He is willing to dismiss for no recollection. In addition to that, Your Honor, he's also on furlough.
Oh.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Very well. He did
Thank
check
you.
in.
Thank you, Ms. Horn. No objection.
Yes, you're welcome.
So what else do I do, ma'am?
Ms. Lyon, your case is dismissed. No recollection. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. Oh my God, bless your heart, sir. Thank you so much. It's very important to me. I appreciate everything. So all my tickets are dismissed?
Yeah, thank Corporal Sexton and for that
He was a very kind officer with me. He was a very kind officer with me. Thank you very much.
Okay, best of luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Appreciate your time, sir. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Oldham. Saran's Oldham.
Yes.
Give me the correct pronunciation. I know some people say Oldham.
Perkins, Oldham.
Oldham, okay. Good morning to you. City of Detroit versus Therese Oldham, case number SP 1747971, and then we have a state matter, the same allegation. City of Detroit versus State of Michigan versus Therese Oldham, case number SX 45801811. Appearance for the record, please, Ms. Harris.
Cherica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Perkins, Oldham.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Oldham. Today is the date and time. That's Officer Sexton as well. He's on furlough. There's another allegation of expired plate. I don't have any issue with allowing him to be heard. That went in default the other day on the 5th. That's a civil infraction as well. Mr. Odom, speak to Ms. Harris. I dismiss, even on furlough, if the city can contact us before the individual comes to the court, we can notify them.
Okay.
Then we'll get another date.
Okay.
But it's the fact that the defendant came in, I'm not gonna inconvenience when you all have the ability to rewrite the ticket, so.
Got it.
And that's how we do it. So, Mr. Odom,
Thank you, Your Honor.
you're welcome. Go in the breakout room with Ms. Harris, and she says she can help you out, all right?
Okay.
I will pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. O'Neill. Mr. O'Neill, I've given you an opportunity to speak to Mr. Patel. Mr. Patel, are you guys able to work something out?
Yes, Your Honor. I had a chance to speak with Mr. O'Neill. He is interested and eligible to participate in Street Outreach Court Detroit. We created an action plan and look forward to working with him. We'd ask that you set aside the warrant, any bench warrants that on his matters, give the defendant a personal bond and move his pretrial to November 24th if possible.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tamika Horn on behalf of the people. Good morning, Attorney Patel. I have no objection to that course of action, Your Honor.
I'm not enter not guilty plea on this behalf. I told you I would give him a $0 bond. I just printed it. So Mr. O'Neill, here's what I'll say to you. As I say to everybody in your situation, first and foremost, I know this might be one of the most difficult times in your life. And we'll be praying that you get through it. I'm sure you will, with some perseverance and things like that. I know the light may not be shining as bright for you right now, but trust and believe that that light will get brighter. Again, with that perseverance and determination, that light will get brighter. We're hoping and praying that that light will get brighter sooner rather than later. And we do believe in Mr. Patel's services. And we have seen it work. I always leave with a quote from Dr. Martin Luther King. He says, the true test of a man is not where he stands in the moments of comfort and convenience, but where he stands in the moments of challenges and controversies. So Mr. O'Neill, this is your test. Why God chose you to put you through this test, I can't answer that. But I do know that there is going to be some light at the end of the tunnel, and it will get brighter with that perseverance. So we'll be praying for you. I'm going to give you a pretrial date, Mr. Patel.
November 24th.
November 24th, 2025 at 8:30. I'll still mark the file. SP 118444081. SP 9752662. 1836799062. I'll take the extraordinary measure and I'll waive the reinstatement fee.
Thank you so much.
So potentially you'll be able to set yourself up after you take care of those other jurisdictions to get a valid driver's license, all right?
Thank you so much, Your Honor. Appreciate it.
Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day, all right? And
Thank you, you too.
Mr. Patel, thank you as well. And you can thank the gentleman that came in there with you as well, all right?
Thank you. Have a good day, Your Honor.
All right, best of luck to you.
Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I am the street court prosecutor, so for the future, you know that.
Very good. All right. Let's go with let's go back on the record with Miss. Yeah, you keep raising your hand, so let's go back on the record with Miss Graham. Mr. Barry, what does Miss Graham want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date, so she might return with documents.
That's what you want to do, Ms. Graham? Ms. Twanzetta Graham?
Yes, sir, Your Honor. That's what I
Come back
agree
on,
with.
come back on October the 14th at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, you have a very good day and best of luck to you, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor. You do the same.
Thank you. Is Isaac Grant here? Gentleman on the, Garner. Garner. This is the city of Detroit. Norma. Oh. Mr. Barry, let me get you going and then I'm gonna. City of Detroit versus Devontae Garner. Case numbers SP 170418, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1715533, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1717447, counts 1, 2, and 3. And I'll also call SP 1669126, counts 1 and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Garner.
Devontae Gardner.
All right, Mr. Garner, date and time set for a show cause, is it, Mr. Berry?
It is, Your Honor, and for purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute.
Will enter a not guilty plea on his client's behalf, give him a $0 bond. He's got a number of civil infractions. SP 16691263. And SP 17174473. I'll allow him to pay the reinstatement fees up front on those. If the city has no objection to set the defaults aside, I'll allow him to be heard on those. So get your pen out, Mr. Berry.
Ready, Your Honor.
Expired plate. No valid registration. No insurance proof ×2. Defective brake light. Expired plate. Expired plate. No valid registration. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cases called into the record. Mr. Garner, I'm going to give you and 2 of them have reinstatement fees. Mr. Garner, I'm going to put you in a breakout room. Mr. Berry, he's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Let's pass the matter. Join the room, please.
Okay.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Odom. Mr. Odom, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, he has documentation.
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm going to dismiss the cases, sir, for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, Mr. Odom.
Okay, you too.
Thank you. George, Diana George. City of Detroit versus Diana George, case number SP 17423449, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 174233501. Appearance for the record, please.
I'm here. Cherica Harris on behalf of Ms. George. Ms. George, please state for the record.
Diana George.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Miss George, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Miss Harris. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay. Yeah, so what I push join.
You join.
Okay.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Oliver. Mr. Oliver, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Mr. Oliver has provided valid documentation. We stipulate the probable cause, ask for a dismissal.
I'm gonna dismiss the SP 1694892 and 31 and SP 17126671. Dismiss provided valid docs. When are you gonna pay this 240 SP 11684903? Unmute yourself.
And what was that for? I'm sorry.
That was for an old no box ticket you pled to a long time ago, back in 2021. You never paid it.
I don't know. Give me a date. I'll probably try to apply for it.
All right, I'm gonna put a matter. I'm gonna pay by. I brought it back down one time, so pay by October the 9th, 2025. You can pay it in any div that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the div that app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, sir. If it's nothing further, you have a very good day and best of luck to you. All right.
All right. Thank you.
All right, Corporal Hope, you're free to leave. Mr. Gooseby never showed. And Brian Oliver just made it because I was just about to send, I already basically sent the officers home, but the one officer, your officer is here still. Why are you so late, sir?
For Mr. Oliver?
Yes.
I had court today with Miss Curry.
For who?
But for Judge McCurry at the
All right, let's go call the city of Detroit versus Brian Oliver. He keeps getting new cases too. What's your date of birth?
02/13/1992.
February 13,
1992.
All right, city of Detroit versus Brian Oliver, case number SP 1218318, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1338372, SP 14912521, SP 1743535, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1743581. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Oliver. State your name for the record.
Brian James Oliver Jr.
All right, we have the other officer, Zacchio, he was here too. And Corporal Spidell was here, so we're gonna have to reset it. I didn't know, let's see, did you mention that you were gonna be late?
Yeah. When you had told me to figure out what was going on with my license, I don't know if you remember or recall, I had explained to you that I had to go to court on the 8th today for the CCW case.
Yeah, I think you did. All right, what about your license? Do you have a license?
I gotta pay those on September 13th. I think it's a Saturday, but September 13th, it is a reinstatement fee that the Secretary of State dismissed. Like they had it.
And you'll get a license after December 13th?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's reset this trial date. Trial date is gonna be October the 14th at 9 a.m., all right?
Okay, so, Your Honor, I got a sentence today, so October 10th, I have to go turn myself in.
Oh.
So I was.
All right, you're gonna have a license before
Yes, sir.
then?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Come back, October the 7th.
The 7th. Okay.
Or do you wanna come back on the 9th, the day before?
I can do the 7th. So I want to spend more time with my family and stuff. I get, make sure all my T's is dotted, all my T's is crossed, and all my I's are dotted.
October 7th, 2025 at 9 a.m., all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, best of luck to you.
Thank you.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Garner. Mr. Garner, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance as well as registration. He's also shown that his brake lights to be operative. And so we seek dismissal on all of these matters, Your Honor.
Go and speak with Ms. Horn on that.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. We'll pass it. Officer Zach.
Hello.
Hey, good morning. We reset Oliver. I did give him an opportunity to come in late. He had another court appearance today. I forgot about that. We reset him until the 7th of October.
All right. Thank you so much.
All right, be safe out there. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too.
Isaac Grant appeared. I don't know what happened to him. Did we ever hear anything from probation for Greenwood? Are you gonna give Isaac the grant use that pre-trial show cause him? It was here, checked in, I don't know what else. Can we put it on? Yeah, show. Isaac Grant on the first page, Isaac Grant.
Yeah, just go to Jamira, just send the email. Read. 434. He's scheduled for sentencing today. All right. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Oh. I do. Judge, someone wants to say hello. How you doing? What's going on? How you doing?
All right,
Good to
good
see you.
seeing
Good.
you.
How about yourself? Everything good?
Yeah. Trying to help nephews out, but they get me in trouble.
Oh, don't let them do that.
I put my name on the apartment building now, it's on me.
Man, hey, you got that's.
I know. I messed up, but I learned now.
Is it worth anything?
Nope.
Oh, it's messed up. All right, I'll talk to you. Good to see you.
All right.
Take care, sir.
All right.
Probably let them, sign.
Don't push it. Okay.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. George. Ms. George, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, there's a recommendation to dismiss. We ask the court to adopt the recommendation. We stipulate to probable cause.
All right, I'm gonna dismiss the cases, ma'am. Dismiss the cases, and if there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, Ms. George.
Thank you and God bless you.
God bless you as well. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Yeah, but what do I do? How do I feel? What do I put?
Yeah, George.
And Your Honor,
Yes.
I also have a Philip Saracedo. That's a
Yes.
retained client. If I could waive my client's appearance, there's actually a recommendation to dismiss.
City of Detroit versus Philip Saracedo, case number SP 132-75131. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Erica Harris, P72832 on behalf of Mr. Saracedo, respectfully requesting to waive my.
All right, presence displayed, you retain.
Yes, Your Honor, and
Go ahead.
sorry, there's a recommendation to dismiss. We ask the court to adopt the recommendation. We stipulate to probable cause.
All right, case dismissed. If nothing further, that'll conclude.
Thank you.
All right, let's go. Mr. Garner, are you there?
Yes, I am.
Barry, are you ready?
Ready, Your Honor.
Back on the record with Mr. Garner. Mr. Garner, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Yes, Your Honor. The prosecutor has no objection to setting aside the defaults and concurs that all of these matters should be dismissed based on valid documentation.
Okay, case is dismissed, sir. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Thank you.
All right. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Greenwood. Mr. Greenwood. Ms. Driscoll, good morning to you. Can you state your name and your credentials for the record, please?
Yep, Jennifer O'Driscoll on behalf of the Probation Department.
Okay, Ms. O'Driscoll, we're here on Greenwood, and I wanted you to provide us with some, I've read the report and indicated, in the report that July the 10th, there's an allegation of him being positive for alcohol. Is there any more of those allegations that you've seen?
No, that was the one and only time he was positive for alcohol.
All right, thank you so much, Ms. O'Driscoll. If it's nothing further, have a great day and have a great rest of your week if I don't see you.
Okay, great. Thank you, Your Honor. You have a good one.
All right, so you couldn't maintain, at least according to their testing, you couldn't abstain from alcohol completely. I understand you've been there as far as for the most part since January. What does your client have to say about that, Mr. Johnson?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you for the breakout room. I spoke with Mr. Greenwood. He stated to me that he did meet with the agent on August the 1st, and they did, in fact, talked about a positive test for July 10th. And he admitted to her that he did drink alcohol at that time. And it looks like that is an isolated incident in terms of the entire bond.
Well, it's not an isolated incident because it looks like he missed the test on 9/2.
But Your Honor, I talked to my probation officer about that, and she told me to go straight to the testing center and test. And I went to test, but I had to pay $55 because it wasn't my day to test. But that's what she made me do. She made me stop everything, go to the center and test, and that's what I did. And everything came back negative, and that was the day you seen it. Was it my Navy day or was it my call day?
So I'm gonna assume because you didn't say anything about that was.
Yeah, I talked to her and she said she got everything straightened out with that. That was. Yeah.
There was another failed to report on July the 5th. So around the time that you admitted to drinking on the 10th of July. So what I'm basically saying now is I was gonna go a little bit lighter on you as far as the probation was concerned because you had gone so long, but it seems like you fell off the wagon. And I'm going to conclude that July 5th that you probably didn't report because you had alcohol in your system then too. There was the holiday, a day after the holiday, and then you admitted to being positive for alcohol 5 days later. Listen, if it's going to go like this, you're going to be putting yourself in a bad situation because I don't think they have gambling online in the county jail.
Yes, Your Honor. I mean, that was just it was 2 days before, so it just wasn't out of my system, and I was at the home. Everything was.
You drank on July the 4th. You drank on July the 4th, and that's why you didn't show up to the testing, right?
No, Your Honor. It wasn't that day. No, Your Honor.
What day did you do? Why didn't you show up on July the 5th?
I didn't know I had to test, Your Honor. I truly, I didn't know I had to truly I didn't know I had to go in and test that day, Your Honor. That was just a misunderstanding. I called and talked to my probation officer, but she pretty much told me what you're telling me now. And yeah, I told her, can I just go and test? And I went and tested and it had to come out of $55 just for a test, but I still did it.
No, you didn't do the 50. Well, that was September the 2nd. You did the $55 last week, right?
September.
When did you pay the $55? Was that 2 months ago you paid the $55?
I can't. I'm sorry, Your Honor. I can't really think of the date, but
was it recently or was it 2 months ago?
It wasn't that recent. It wasn't that recent.
So, okay, so here,
Yes,
so
sir.
3 times, you admitted to drinking on the 10th, when you were positive, or sometime the days before then. You have an allegation of missing a test on the 5th of July. You said that one of those allegations, you'd had to pay $55 to go test.
Yes,
And then
sir.
now you have another allegation of missing a test last week on September the 2nd.
Last week. Oh, so technically this week?
Technically, no, last week to this week is a new week. This is a Monday. That you're supposed to test Tuesday of last week.
Yes, I've been calling them every day. I missed Monday of calling because yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, so I missed Monday of calling. I've been calling every week trying to see if they call my name. I talked to I talked to my probation officer. They said just wait, they might call you in Saturday. Or they might call you in Saturday to Sunday. So I'm just waiting on them Sundays. But I'm guessing when I didn't call Monday, I guess that was my day to go in. And trust me, Your Honor, I am not
Tuesday,
hiding.
last Tuesday was your date that they say you missed.
Last
All right.
Tuesday. But yes, sir, Your Honor, I don't drink at all, Your Honor. I could drop right
No,
now.
you do drink. You do drink. You drank on the day you got this drunk driving, and you drank on the 10th. So when you talk about you don't drink at all, it's like this is like Missouri, the show me state. You have to show me. You're not showing me that you don't drink. You're showing me the opposite. And then you're missing tests. What am I to conclude? That you missed the test just because they didn't call your number? Or am I to conclude that you missed the test because you knew the day before, on July the 4th, you partied and drank?
Your Honor,
You're going to try to convince me that that the one drink was just one isolated incident. I'm here to think that you probably have been drinking more times than that and just never get caught. Because what would make you go from January all the way up to July the 10th? You go 7 months without having a drink. What possessed you to drink that drink on the days before July the 10th? Or on the July the 10th? What possessed you to do that?
It was just I was with a chick, man. It was.
You were what?
It was a personal reason, Your Honor. It was a personal reason, and I shouldn't have made that decision. You're right, Your Honor.
So you have a problem then?
No, Your Honor, it was only one drink in the last 7 months, man. Like,
no, but you saying you drank because of a personal reason.
No, I said I was with a chick, man. It was a chick, man. That's about it.
No, I'm not your man, first of all.
Okay, sorry, Your Honor.
And you're letting this,
I truly apologize. I just want to be. I'm just
7 months, and you let a female let you fall off the wagon for drinking, and you got jail time you're looking at?
Your Honor.
You see the position I'm in? I don't know what it was. All I know is what you're telling me. I know what I see here on paper.
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything else, Mr.
Johnson? Yes, if I may, please. So we heard Officer Driscoll just state today that that was the only time that was positive on July 10th. She didn't talk about any type of mistest. I know the report, I had to check the date. I see the date of the report was September 2nd. So I don't know if I don't know what happened.
You want to get her back in here?
Sure.
We can get her back in here, or I'm just gonna I'm gonna give him an opportunity to prove himself. What do you want to do? You want to hear her say the mistest?
No, Your Honor, that's
what it
fine.
says on the sheet.
Okay, I'll just if we can please give him opportunity to prove himself. Again, I thought he was doing great. I know that he did the that $55 makeup test and it was negative, and she was here today to state that that was the only time, the July 10th one. So I don't know what date it was that he made it up, but he sounded like he was in good graces with her. Um, as far as the track record goes, I would say give him the benefit of the doubt because he has a great track record. Besides that, his decision to test positive that time, as far as
That
everything
makes his
else
track
goes,
record not great.
okay.
That's
Yes,
just, it makes his track record not great.
okay. Well, again, I just like to reiterate, he has no convictions on his record, besides this one here. We talked about putting this one behind him, and I think he's going to do great in terms of completing Your Honor's probation, respectfully. And can I state one more thing? Every time that we've been in court, he's always been, this is a gentleman, I don't know if Your Honor has a lot of cases, but he's always was in a black suit and tie every time waiting till his case was called. He was there early till the end. And there was this situation last time where we didn't know if he was going to continue his employment, but he did. I'm grateful for that. And I see that he's not wearing a suit today because he called off work. He was able to call off work to get this day to get his matter
Call
taken care
off,
of.
he
So I
sits
just
at
want
home. Is he smoking? Is Langston smoking? Looks like he is. Call off, he works from home anyway.
No, I don't work from home, Your Honor.
he was in
Or
the
you have to go
location.
in somewhere to gamble?
Yes, sir. I have to go all the way to the facility, and it's like it's everything's enclosed.
Oh. All right.
I wish it was.
Listen, I'm gonna give you one break, and then I kind of think I should just keep you on the testing one time per week. That would be that, because now it says here the recommendation 2 times per month. That leaves you all the way open to, is he smoking? He's got the hoodie on. That's all right. He is smoking. I'll put you out, Mr. Langston. No smoking in the court. Take your hoodie and hat off when you come back. All right. Since the court 6-month term of probation, I need a 6-month day.
Okay.
I'll review in 3 months. No alcohol. I'm gonna have you continue to test 1 time per week. Alcohol highway safety education level 1. Complete mother's victims impact panel.
March 9th, Judge, 2026.
Complete the choices through eBay class. It'll be $35 a month probation fee, $100 assessment fee.
I thought I took it and sent it.
$15 a year analysis fee if you come down here. I don't know if you come down here or not. Do you come down here?
No, Your Honor. I go to the affordable testing facilities.
How much is it there?
15 a test.
Same. So then it's going to be a $240 fine from the court, and plus all the other statutory, plus all other statutory fees. That's your 1 break, all right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Like I say, you want to get off this early, pay the money, don't get any other. I don't want to hear any more excuses about mistests or anything like that. Absolutely no more alcohol. Take the classes, pay the probationary fee, $35 each month. Don't try to pay it all at one time, because we don't want to have to if I decide to let you off probation early, we don't want to have to give any money back. I think that's it. Did I cover it?
Can I just ask one request on behalf of Mr. Greenwood? If
Yes.
Your Honor, we thank the court, first of all. If Your Honor could please allow a caveat to have community service in lieu of any fines and costs based on his financial situation. He just asked me to ask the court that.
All right. So I'll just say 40 hours community service in lieu of the $240.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, and then there's still gonna, the other statutory fees, I don't have any discretion on those.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
Is it good, Ms. Horn? All right, let's have you back on December the 8th, 2025. I'm trying to set you up to succeed. I'm not trying to set you up to fail, but you have to help yourself out and tell your lady friend that, you know, if she can't help you out, she might not be good for you.
Hey, but you ain't never made, so.
Amen.
Most definitely, Jared, most definitely, Your Honor.
All right. All right. I wish you the best of luck, sir. Have a very good rest of your day. All right.
All right. I have one last question. So with all the payments, will it be sent to my email, or do I have to call? Or will everything be done through my probation officer?
Everything's gonna be done through your probation officer. There will be a judgment of sentence on there that will refer the matter back to probation. So you may get another officer, okay? It may not be Miss O'Driscoll this time.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. You have a great day.
All right, best of luck. Just keep your line open and wait on that call, all right?
All right.
All right, best of luck to you.
All right, thank you. You too.
And my apologies to the court, Your Honor. I'm sorry, I didn't realize. Sorry. Okay.
I just had to get that in. All right, Mr. Lynham, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lynham. Mr. Lynham, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do? Mr. Brown?
Yes, sir.
What's your client want to do with these tickets?
He wants to take the offer by the city attorney.
And what is that offer? Okay, I think I see it here. So I have, what I see is 3-month delay amended to passenger on one of the open alcohol and motor vehicle driver. And then 2 civil infractions of one being the equipment, wait a minute. One being the unsafe manner. That's amended to a 1 to 5. And the other being a equipment violation. Is that what I see?
Yes, Your Honor, tinted windows. I believe it's already in default.
All right, you want to take the deal, Mr. Lynham?
Yes, sir.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine?
Yes, Judge.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Brown went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, sir.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
You have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Let me draw your attention back to July the 5th, 2025, around 5:14 PM in the city of Detroit, in the area of Greenfield and McNichols. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Were you in a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Did the officer ask you, did you have some alcohol in that motor vehicle?
Yes.
I'm gonna believe these allegations, even though they're getting dismissed. That's just what you do. And what kind of alcohol did you have? Mr. Lynham?
Yes, sir.
What kind of alcohol did you have?
Actually, it was a friend of mine's birthday, and she's been honest.
Here what it was?
Oh, it was in a cup.
Was it alcohol in the motor vehicle?
Oh, yes, sir.
All right. And what kind of alcohol was it?
Beer, I guess. I mean, yes, beer.
Are you saying that this is was not your alcohol?
Yes, sir.
You want me to believe that, Mr. Lynham?
Yes, sir.
But you knew it was alcohol in the motor vehicle, didn't you?
Yes, sir.
You satisfied, counselor?
Yes, Your Honor.
And Your Honor, the people would just like to clarify that the alcohol was uncapped and open in the motor vehicle.
Was the alcohol open?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Still though, hey, Mr. Brown, you're welcome.
Yes, sir.
He wants me to believe that he's sitting in his Mercedes with his buddy. His buddy's birthday, and his buddy's the only one that has some beer. And then, not only that, he's also got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 other allegations of operating of open alcohol in the motor vehicle driver. Was it tinted? Is it tinted windows on that vehicle, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right. And then what was the other one? Tinted windows. Oh, just stipulate to the basis of the ticket as an active factual basis for those responsibilities on your client's behalf.
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm going to change it up a little bit, Ms. Horn. It's the same difference. It's just all on one ticket. I'll find him responsible for the amended count of 1 to 5 with that stipulation to disregard the traffic control, disregard the stop sign. And then I'll find you responsible for the ticket, the equipment violation on the vehicle. Stipulate the probable cause, will dismiss the other matter. All right. For the speeding, the amended count of speeding on SP 175 32841. That'll be $125. For the count 2, $120. The open alcohol count 3, open alcohol passenger, it's going to be $240. I'll waive the warrant fees. You're going to have to pay any and all reinstatement fees. I'll tell you what, you got your money's worth today, Mr. Lyon. When can you pay?
How much is the total amount, Judge?
125, 122, 40. Those are the amounts that I have here, you have other issues. You owe 288. That's messing with your ability to get a license down here. 252 on an old unsafe manner ticket. 156 on an old disregarding traffic control device ticket. 204 on an old unsafe manner ticket. 264 on an old speeding ticket. And you got a host of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 reinstatement fees at $135. Then you got the 3 things you entered into today. I'll give them a month to figure it out, Mr. Brown, and I'll even mark the file allow payment plan. The 288 for the no insurance proof is affecting his ability to get clearances down here, so I don't know if you want to make that a priority or not. All right, Mr. Lyman, if there's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you, all right?
All right, thank you, sir.
All right, Mr. Brown, have a good one.
Have a good day.
City of Detroit versus Jalen Marquise Langston. Case number SP 1763977, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1764051, SP 1773362, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1773365, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please. He's on the afternoon docket.
I am.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Langston, please state your name.
Jalen Langston.
All right, Mr. Langston, were you smoking a cigarette?
No. I'm at work. I don't smoke cigarettes.
October
2nd.
7.
I'll enter not guilty plea in your behalf, give you a $0 bond. All right, if you want to try to get him an updated offer, you can, but if you want to come back on October 7th, you can. What do you want to do, Mr. Langston?
Offer for what?
For these cases?
You talking about the ticket?
Yes.
So I just came down there last week and I talked to the lady. She had gave me a printout of how much I owe on the tickets. I was gonna come today and see if me and you could work something out so I can put it on a payment plan and go ahead and pay it off, because everything else I took care of, my license, registration, all that. I got everything taken care of.
Run his license, please. Ms. Mathis. Speak to Mr. Langston in the breakout room. He's got do you see the stuff on afternoon docket, Ms. Harris? Or do you need me to give it off to you? Do?
No, I see it.
Okay, so he's got an additional expired plate, drove while license suspended, and a no insurance misdemeanor. So 3 other tickets, including the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that we call into the record. I mean, we call 9 into the record, but that are on the docket. So get him an updated offer, Mr. Langston. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna try to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an actual right to withdraw, all right?
All right.
And we'll check the license. Hold on, Ms. Harris, I'm gonna let you know right now. Join the room, we'll pass the matter.
Okay, and Your Honor, I'll come and take a look at the file also.
It's valid, license is valid. It's really, if you want to just, it's really dealing with the 3 that are not on the docket are no insurance, Durham license expired, and expired plate. Then the other one are document tickets except for a seatbelt ticket. It's got improper plate, improper equipment, no ops, unregistered, untitled, and no insurance miscellaneous.
Okay, Your Honor, I prefer to review the file so that I can have have my eyes on it. I'll be down shortly. Thank you, Judge.
And I saw her pull up at, she got back to the dorm by 11:36. I was like, that was a long day.
Let's make a payment.
Today?
Well, by October the 7th.
Mr. Gibson? Yeah, so, you're back?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Why are you here? You said October what day?
7th.
You're supposed to have this paid by October the 7th.
Yes, yes, sir. I'm sorry. I'm supposed to be on the Zoom for my mom case. I came into the wrong Zoom.
Okay, be safe.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Are we ready on Langston?
I believe we are, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Langston. Mr. Langston, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client want to take the deal is
Admit to the tinted windows or the improper equipment and admit to a seatbelt violation?
Yes.
Yes, my client wishes to take advantage of that offer. We stipulate to the face of the ticket for purposes of the factual basis. We stipulate to probable cause for the dismissals, and my client is respectfully asking that these be rolled into his current payment plan.
He's gonna have to do that on his own.
No problem. That ain't a problem.
Yeah, I think you're gonna have to go. I can't set the pen. You got to go down and talk to the people that you.
I can come down there, right, to the 36?
Yeah, always,
right.
always do that. I can't put you in a payment plan. I can just say allow it to happen. They do the rest of that. All right, with those stipulations, I'm gonna dismiss everything, but I'll find it responsible for the as charged the improper equipment. And I'll find it responsible for the seatbelt as charged. I can cut you a break on the seatbelt one time. I won't fine you for that. And then the tinted windows will be as charged the improper equipment, $120.
Hey, Your Honor, real quick, can I say something about my tinted windows?
You may.
Okay, all right. So I don't think because when I went to get my windows tint, I told the guy, like, man, give me the most legal, you feel me? The darkest, but the legal, you know what I'm saying? So now when they pulled me over, when they was pulling me over before I got my L's, they kept flicking me saying, oh, it's because your tint. Nah, when they get behind me, they don't even pull me over, but I still got the same tint on there.
All right, so you want me to tell you what you just said?
What I said?
You just admitted to having some illegal tints.
No, I don't.
You gonna let me finish now?
Yeah, go ahead.
You just admitted to having some illegal tints because Mr. Langston, if you have tinted windows, you're not allowed to have any tinted windows on the front driver or passenger side door windows, none at all. And
no
then
tint
you can only none at all. And you can only have a tint. I don't know, you're too young to remember the old schools, how they had the blue tint across the top. You can only tint it 4 inches across the top of your front window.
Yeah.
That's only 4 inches. The old school cars used to be blue, and it would come to the factory from the factory like that. When I guess you would have to order it, but it would have a blue tint up there. You can only put a tint that's only 4 inches on the front. If you have any other tint on your windows in the front passenger door or driver door or that front windshield, other than that 4 inches, I don't care how dark or light it is, it's illegal.
I ain't know that. I thought I could have dang, I ain't know that.
It's illegal. I'll tell you what though, I just took some tinted. I bought a car the other day. It had tinted windows on it, and I was getting it off. My wife said, "Why don't you just pay somebody to get it off?" Well, why I pay somebody to get it off if I could do it myself? So I got her blow dryer and I was heating it up, and it was coming off all right. But I looked on YouTube. YouTube is stuff.
University.
I went to AutoZone and got the stuff. The dude on YouTube did say that you could just spray it with water. So you take one of those thin garbage bags. I cut it in half and put it across the front of the windshield. I sprayed the stuff on there and put that garbage bag. That shit just, it just
Peel
peeled
right
right
off?
off, glue and all. It says
Alright.
wait 30 minutes, it just peeled right off, glue and all. I was like, all right, I
So
can
you
take,
just took the
I can
trash
remove
bag
10.
and just
sprayed
laid
it.
So no, what you do is you take the trash bag, you spray the window, you take the trash bag, and if it's on your side windows, you'll put the trash bag over the windows, close the window up, and then on the inside part of it, close the window up, wait 30 minutes, and when you come back out, you take that trash bag off, you could just peel that tint right off.
Wow.
Damn.
He says you can use water, but I used the stuff at
The stuff, yeah.
It was probably nothing but water in there. You know how they say that stuff.
You paid $30 for some water.
Yeah, it was $13. It was $13.
Yeah.
All right,
They
Mr.
tell
Langston.
you that.
If there's nothing further, you don't have to come back, sir.
Now
Have a
you
very
do.
good day.